My name is Shelley. I live in San Francisco. I found Green Bay through Home Advisor, and then I checked through all of the Yelp reviews to make sure that this was going to be an okay thing, and I called them and it turned out great. Okay, the project was a teeny tiny bath that needed remodeling. The apartment had been a rental, and so the bathroom was pretty beat up. I met with Green Bay at a supplier and we picked out the cabinet and other materials. I had an interesting meeting with Daniel, and I talked to him about what I wanted, and he said that he thought that this was going to be really fun because we had the same taste. Once they came and said that they were going to start the next day, the guys showed up. They were always here when they said they were going to be, and one of the best things about working with this company is the level of communication. I always knew what was going to happen, when it was going to happen, and if it wasn't going to happen, I knew that too. Daniel and Jessica were the project managers. As I said, they always communicated, let me know what was going to happen and when it was going to happen. And if it wasn't going to happen, they told me that too, and I was really grateful for that. I would definitely recommend Green Bay to anyone, and in fact, I've already recommended them to my son.